Hey everyone, Thomas here. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to get an mp4 into Uperform. The first thing you're going to need to do is to take that mp4, regardless of how you got it. It could have been recorded in Snagit or Camtasia, or maybe you recorded it on Teams and you exported the mp4 out. What you need to do is convert it to a Scorm file. Personally, I use Camtasia to do that, and you just literally drop the mp4 into Camtasia, export it as a Scorm file, or as it phrases it, an mp4 with a smart player. Make sure that it's a Scorm 1.2 version. Once you export it from Camtasia or whatever as a Scorm 1.2, you're going to get a folder. If you open it up, there's going to be quite a bit of items into it. All you really need from that is this compressed zipped folder. That's what you're going to load into Uperform. So if I go here, for instance, in the ambulatory section, I click add document. I'm going to name it test Scorm file. And right here we choose file. If I already have it open like this, I can literally just drag and drop it there and it works. And then you may see this drop down here where it talks about HTML or player HTML. I don't think it really matters. From there, I'm going to click save, and it's going to use what is inside that zip folder, which is just a few items here, and it's basically going to upload the video. Once it's uploaded, you'll see test Scorm file, for instance. You can open that up and you can publish it. It's viewable directly from with Uperform, but if you need to send it out to the LMS team for assignment and tracking and whatnot, you have to go here to the drop down and get package. When you get the package, you're going to download that, and that is what I already have downloaded right here. Open that zip file up. Now here's where I'm not 100% sure on if you send the whole zip file to the LMS team or not. I would just go ahead and send the whole zip file. What they're really looking for is the HTML document. If you use Chrome, it's going to say Chrome. If you use Edge, it's going to say Edge. And that's really it. So that's what the LMS team is going to use there. They're going to upload that into the LMS. So anybody that gets that item assigned to them, what it's actually doing is redirecting them back here to Uperform, which is great. So then it can be tracked in Uperform. And if you update the file here in Uperform, it corresponds to what's in the LMS, because the LMS is reaching back out to Uperform to see what the most up-to-date version is. Now, if you ever need to update this, of course, you're going to have to update the video and do the exporting again and whatnot. But you want to come here to your file, instead of uploading a duplicate, you want to come here to lock, add version, then go through the whole export as a Scorm, get that other file that you see right here, this zip file here, and load this new version into there. And you could do minor or major version depending on how much you updated. It's up to you. And when you add version, now it has an updated Scorm package. And that's all there really is to it. Hope this helped.